year was great. The new boats look amazing, and I think my customers are going to be very, very excited about everything.
New factory is awesome. It's super clean.
A lot of good information at the plant this morning. A lot of good stuff to help us sell some more of these boats. We ran the 34.
So far, I rode the 23 with twins.
I went on the 26XO. Beautiful boat, very nice layout. I was impressed with it. Even I've never been on a boat with a trolling motor before, so it was something different for me, man. It was cool.
Helmmaster walkthrough, some new features we got to see and see how to use that. So that was pretty impressive as well.
Listen, put the boat aside, put the quality aside. You have a factory that backs up the customer, the factory that backs up the dealership. You know, that's the company you want to have, you know, in your bullpen.